Imagine a chaotic server log with thousands of events happening at different frequencies. How do we find the hidden patterns? Today we dive deep into event clustering to turn that noise into actionable insights. Clustering is the data science technique that groups similar things together, much like sorting your clothes by color or organizing photos by event, allowing us to make sense of unstructured information. In time series analysis, the challenge is handling variable event volumes. Some moments have one event, while others have many, requiring algorithms to group these based on similarity rather than just count. We use specific tools like ms-TICPy's database clustering functions to process host data, where we calculate features and adjust parameters like max cluster distance to accurately identify unique patterns. To find the perfect number of groups, analysts often test different cluster counts using k-means inertia scores, eventually settling on a model that effectively separates noisy processes from unique single-member clusters. In process mining, sequence clustering acts as a powerful filter for complaint handling or system logs, grouping similar case IDs to reveal high-level trends that drive better business decisions and optimizations. Ultimately, whether identifying unique process patterns or handling noisy data streams, clustering transforms raw event chaos into a clear, high-level understanding of your system's behavior. Now that you understand how to group similar events, try applying this logic to your own messy datasets. What specific patterns do you think are hiding in your data? Let us know in the comments.